Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is candy gas hob, built-in gas hob valve replacement. This gas hob actually middle one, big burner valve not working. It is something broken internally. It's not rotating. Got struck because of that. Now I'm going to replace the new valve, and I'm going to show you how to do that, and we will go to the next step. This one is not working. It is already got struck. Something is broken. Because of that, I'm going to replace this one. We have to remove this one. I removed this one already because the wire we have to take it out, and now we have to disconnect the gas line. We already closed the gas cylinder here. Now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, now we can take it out. Now I have to take it out here. Now we can keep here slowly. Now we have to remove all the screws are here. Now we can remove like that. Now we have to disconnect. This is thermocouple, and also the gas pipe we have to disconnect. We can remove like that. This one actually 70 number spanner. Now I have to remove this too. Also this knob I have to remove. Now I can take it like that. Now before that we have to remove this lock here. Now I remove already. Now this micro switch we have to remove slowly. Now it's okay. Now this one I will show you again. This one cannot, it's not turning because it's already got damage. Now I'm going to replace new one. This is the new valve from the company Candy. Also Hoover also the same. It's Candy Hoover, same company. Now this one new valve. Now we have to fix. First we have to fix ignition micro switch here. It's coming this way. We have to fix like that. like that we have to fix. After that I have to fix this. It's very careful, we have to fix. This will chance to get break. Now it's okay. Here you have to check before fixing this gasket available or not. After that only you have to fix. Now we have already, because of that nothing to worry. Now it's okay. You can fix. This one we have to tie it properly, otherwise gas will chance to leak from here. No, it's okay. Now we can fix gas pipe here. Now enough. Now I have to fix thermocouple here. Now it's okay. Now we have to refix all the screws. We can close like that. Now we have to fix all the screws properly. මල්ලි ආ ගිහිල්ලා අරන් එන්න කර මේ ලොකු ටූල් බොක්ස් එකේ හරිද එතන මාකර් යන් හරි දෙන්න මේක හට හට යනවාට මම හරි නේද දෙන්න Now okay, all the screws, everything be fixed. Now we have to reinstall to the pantry. We have to fix properly this one here. Now we have to fix, we have to give power connection here. Now finally we have to fix gas pipe here. Now we already fixed. Now we have to check. Now already we opened the gas cylinder. Okay, sir. Now we have to check with the sabon here. Any leakage or something? There's no leakage. It's good. Now finally we are going to check all the complete our job. Now we can check here all the already complete our job. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.